Many of us have a junk drawer at home, full of old keys, cutlery, tools, and safety pins. And while most of us would rather avoid sifting through it, Carolina-based upcycling artist Matt Wilson would jump at the chance. He uses discarded objects and scrap metal to create charming animal sculptures. Wilson began crafting bird sculptures back in 2017, but his portfolio has now expanded to include creatures of all kinds. From a cat to a squirrel, each elaborate piece captures the forms of its real-life counterpart in metal. Wilson even created a praying mantis that looks like a futuristic robotic insect. It features a head, thorax, abdomen, and wings made from silverware, as well as 6 spindly legs made from upcycled metal utensils. Upcycling artist Matt Wilson creates charming animal sculptures from scrap metal. For his bird sculptures, Wilson cleverly uses spoons and forks as plumage. Each detailed piece looks like a robotic creature that could come to life at any moment.